Hey guys, this is Mike from Big Bear Builds. So today we are having our stone slung into our basement and over our drain tile. As you can see here, the drain tile is partially covered. Right here, actually, you can see the drain tile is partially covered. That's a really good representation of what your drain tile should look like. You see stone under it and around it and behind it. You can see the weeps in the foundation that allow the water to run through and get into your basement or crawl space. It runs around and gets into your sump, and your sump pumps it out. So it's a really good representation of what basement drainage should look like. Everything here is going really well. The slinger just left. He told me that he's going to bring me another full load. I told him any leftovers he could leave me in the driveway, so I'll have extra stone for future projects.